Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can create a new department in Gusto, or how you can add a department in Gusto. So what you want to do is just go on settings, then go to customization, and here you're going to see departments. Click edit and enable it. When you're going to do it and you're going to enable departments, you want to click on people. And you should be able to see it right there. I didn't save it probably. All departments, here it is. And create a new department. Department name. Save and collection. And you can simply add people here. Voila. Summer collection, and we got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.